Alrighty, friends. These gnome candles, they are $8.99. How cute are these? Oh my goodness. Mr. Gnome is just everywhere. The star-shaped candles, they are $7. Okay. The mini gnomes are $5. These circle signs, they are $8. The paper plates and the napkins are $1.89 each. The butcher paper is $5. Father's Day cards are 99 cents. So you know I gotta read one. The best father ever. Our children are lucky to have you as their dad, and I'm grateful to have you as my partner. Happy Father's Day. These are really good prices, guys. 99 cents. Oh my goodness. Summer garlands are $5. The glow stick necklaces are $1.99. They also have the glasses, and they're 10 in each pack. The portable Bluetooth speaker is $25. Men's stretch braided belts are $7. 2-pack garden gloves are $3. We have a few different patterns here. Alrighty, friends, this garden metal bistro chair is $20. They also have the table. Let's see how much the table is. Okay, they have the table, but I don't see the price on it. If I find the price to the table, I'll put it up on the screen. Both of these pieces are in black and teal. They also have these sling folding chairs are $20. Great deal. Decorative wind spinner stakes, they are $10. The 2-in-1 water bottles, they are $10. This easy setup pickleball set is $30. All season doormats are $10. The 28-gallon deck box are $40. And this one's been here for a few weeks. But yes, it is still here. The welcome sign with the lemons are $10. The hammock chairs are $50. Indoor-outdoor area rugs, they are $40. We have 4 different patterns, which are going to be here. And they are a 5x7. This Tide Oxy Boost Plus Ultra Stain is $10.44. The Tide Pods with Febreze is $15.94. Dawn Rinse is $6.94. Downy Unstoppable Beads is $15.94. This 4-piece griddle tool set is $8. This Master Cutting Board is $9.99. It is dishwasher safe. Trays only, okay? Stainless steel and nylon utensils are $3. Okay? Stainless steel handle. Rotating condiment caddy, $10. This 11-inch stainless steel frying pan is $15. Nice. Rainbow sprinkler is $20. Boat Explorer 200 boat set is $17. This retro rainbow floating mat or tube is $10. Air loungers, $15. These are the 3 colors. Beach cloud towels, $10, guys. And these are just so cute. They are a 38 by 64. A few different colors. Polarized sunglasses are $5. Ladies pants are $9. Okay, ladies pants, yes, elastic waistband and front pockets. They also have the ladies cuff denim shorts for $9. The lady pants, guys, come in a size small through extra large, and the denim shorts come in size 6 through 16. Alrighty, we have the men's sleep set for $10. So you get the shorts and the shirt. Well, that's not bad, especially for, Father's Day. The men's 2-pack sleep shorts are how much? don't see the price. Okay. So guys, we have a few shoes over here that looks pretty good. Starting with the ladies casual slip-ons for $13. Nice. The ladies sandals, gonna be this one. We also have it in the denim, right there. And the slip-ons, they're $7. This 17-inch portable tabletop gas griddle is $60. The solar garden stakes are $10. Look at that flamingo. How cute. This sunshade sale is $15. Ooh. Okay, it's in a triangle. It provides UV protection and privacy for gardens and patios. Okay. Alrighty friends, we have these universal type 3 life vests for $10. Really nice. Here are all the children's, the youth. Okay, here's the children ones, 30 to 55 pounds. The youth is 55 to 88 pounds. Adults is 90 pounds. Adults extra large is 90 pounds plus. Multi-purpose lighters, you get a 2-pack for $4. The meat chopper or shredder claws is $4. Okay. So, good deal on these. Oh yeah. Fruit and corn gadgets, they are $3. So we have this one, which is the cherry pitter. And that one is the corn stripper. Yes. And the strawberry huller. The pineapple slicers are $5 in a few different colors. The cut fruit bowls, they are $10. Really nice, cute colors. The 24-piece durable food storage set is $10. This 29-ounce vacuum insulated tumbler is $8. Nice pretty colors. This pop-up sun shelter is $20. Rectangular family pool is $20. Alrighty friends, seasoned choice asparagus or broccoli barbecue grilling trays. They're $3.69. Alrighty. Alrighty friends, the eggs are $1.54 this week, and the milk is $2.02. The drumsticks are 99 cents a pound. This pack is $4.96. The boneless skinless chicken breasts, they're $2.19 a pound. This pack is $12.22. This one is $12.70. The leg quarters are $1.19 a pound. This pack is $6. The wings are $2.65 a pound. This pack is $12.84. This one is $12.69. Seasoned Butterfield lamb leg is $6.49 per pack. And this one is $23.29. All right, friends, let's go over a few of the seasoning. So the first one we're going to look at is going to be by Stone Mill. It is the taco cart or street corn 4-in-1 seasoning for $4, and this is new. Summer grill seasonings, assorted varieties for $3. Another new one. Roasted garlic and herbs, citrus. Yeah, I wonder how this Cajun tastes. Ooh, I love Cajun. Large dry rubs, assorted varieties for $4.69. Nashville Hot. Original. Alrighty. Regional style barbecue sauces, assorted varieties for $3.29. Kansas City. This one is the Memphis. Okay, moving on to the Asian barbecue sauces for $3. Alrighty, so we have assorted citrus hot sauce for $3. This one is the blood orange. This one is the lemon lime. I think I want to try these. Okay, this 12-ounce hot honey is $5.69. Ooh. Alrighty. These 14-ounce candles, they are $4.49. These are the ones that they have all the time. Okay, the Febreze spray is $3.24. The Glade plug-ins, you get a pack of 2 for $5.98. Mopping cloths are $3.59. You get 12 pre-moistened wipes. Do not flush. Okay, this Radiance multi-purpose cleaner with bleach is $2.29. I think this may be new right here. And then they also have the bathroom cleaner with bleach for $2.29. Okay. Well, all right, friends, that is it here today at Aldi. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. Thank you all so very much for your support, and I'll see you all in the next one.